In this video, we'll be fixing the javadoc not recognized error by adding JDK to our system path. And we'll also be using ChatGPT to help us with these tips. So let's have a look at something. I'm going to open up the command prompt. And what I want to check first before we do this is you want to make sure that we've actually got Java installed on our program, because we don't want to go ahead, and this is obviously if we don't have Java installed, we won't have javadoc installed. So the first step is to check if you've actually got Java installed, and if you do, then that's good. Now we can move on to the next step. However, if you don't get this this information, the version information, then it means you need to download Java Development Kit, and that's a separate process. However, if you did get the version, it means Java's installed, but now we want to check if javadoc is installed. So javadoc. Now I'm getting javadoc is not recognized as an internal or external command. I'm going to copy this error, but if you're getting this error, it means you need to add the JDK's bin directory to your system's path. So let's have a look at how we can do that. Let's ask ChatGPT to help us with this error. So I've got ChatGPT opened, and I'll say, "Hi, ChatGPT. How do I fix this error?" And let's hit enter. Okay, so it's because it is not found. Javadoc is not found in our system's environment variables. Here is how to fix it. Now, the first thing is checking that we've got Java installed, so we've already done that. And then next one is this part here. In step 2, it tells you what to do if Java is not installed. However, this is not our problem, or not the issue for the purpose of this video. Solution 2 is what we need to look at, which is to add JDK to our system path. If Java is installed but javadoc is not recognized, you need to add the JDK's bin directory to your system's path. So find your JDK installation path. It is usually located in programs, program files, Java. So let's have a look. I'm already in program files. I'm going to double click on Java. Then I've got version 20 and then bin. So over here, if we actually scroll all the way down to the letter J, I know we have javadoc there. However, we need to add this bin directory to our system's path. So we know javadoc actually exists. I'm going to copy this path, and then let's see what else. We go to step 2, add it to the system path. So press WinR. So let's do that. And I got that. Next, type sysdm. Oh, I got it here. .cpl, and then press OK, press enter. Now what we want to do is click on the advanced tab, and then click on environment variables. Then under system variables, find path, and then click on edit. I'm reading that point there. Okay, so I can actually see the path added for previous versions of Java. So that's Java version 17. This is Java 18. I can actually delete them, but that's not the purpose of the video. So let's stay on track. Next, we want to click on new and then paste the path that we've copied into the new record. So let's click on new, and I'm going to paste that path that I've copied from my Windows Explorer. And then let's click OK, apply OK. So OK. Does that say apply? No, it doesn't say apply. So yeah, ChatGPT missed that as OK. Now restart command prompt. So let's close it and then try again. Let me go back to my Windows Explorer and type cmd. Now this should work from anywhere you're in. So it's not necessarily running this command from this path, but we just happen to be in that folder location. So javadoc version. Okay, so I'm getting another error that says no modules, packages, or classes specified. So I'm going to copy that error. And now I'm going to tell ChatGPT that something is not right. So that's just some instructions for Mac OS, but I'm on a Windows machine. Um, I'm I'm just gonna try one thing first. If I go with javadoc and double dash version, because yeah, so now I'm getting the version of my javadoc. So this part is working. This command and with one dash is most likely it's interpreted as an attempt to generate the documentation. And because we haven't specified any classes or packages, so we got that error. But I'm just going to double check with ChatGPT. And let me see what it's going to tell me. I'm getting this error with this command. I wonder if it will tell me what to do. Let's have a look. Oh, there, yes, I figured it out. However, if you're only trying to check install, so javadoc requires at least one module package. So with one dash, it's going to interpret it as an attempt to generate documentation. We need then to specify the classes or packages. However, if you're only check the installed javadoc version, then use the double dash. Okay, so that's pretty much it for our video. I hope you found it useful, and stay tuned for future videos where we actually work on generating documentations, documents, and sorry, documentation comments, and then speaking about why we need them. Thank you.